Sierra Leone matter don't reach me now, my people. I'm robber in action. This one, I never see I never see this one before. You need see this guy see they run. Police they chase him. Native. Police they chase him. They want catch him so that they go look him up. The guy no gree. He said today, he better make her drink water. That make una carry me go prison. So this guy start they run. Police people they chase him. Cars don't even park there. In fact, my people, the whole matter just pass Kasala. Now so this guy enter ocean. He say na there he prefer to die than make the carry and go prison. I don't bring am come on our side. Abeg for una wey no know wetin dey happen now for Sierra Leone. Your international mama don't bring una the video. So join me, make we watch the video.
See what is happening right now. Unfortunately, I started videoing not quite long. This you can see somebody inside the ocean. This is a thief in Freetown side around. The police are pursuing him, and right now he ran inside the ocean. Look at him right now. He ran inside the ocean, so he's going to escape right now. You can see somebody in the ocean right now. He's inside the ocean. He's running inside, so the police can't get him. And this is the car of the police. So the police have to go back. Man, this is serious. Look at the guy. Look at the guy inside. Look at him. Look at him inside. Look at him inside. In Freetown side around in Africa, the guy is inside the ocean right now. He's running inside. Oh my God. Look at the policeman. Look at the policeman on uniform. I wonder what the policeman can do right now on how to get across to the team. Look at him. He's swimming. This is serious. This is serious. I'm reporting live from Freetown, Sarah Road. This is live video today. Inside, you can you see somebody inside the ocean? He's running straight inside. Oh my God, the guy has escaped because the police cannot get hold of him. I wonder where he's gonna swim to. I wonder where this guy's gonna swim to. Inside the ocean. This is serious.
Hey. Abeg wait before I go enter that boy matter, because who be the person where they give us who be this commentator? Make FIFA come employ am, because as I first watch this thing, I been dey think say na football. And the boy is going, he's going, and you can see him, he's inside the water. I say who be this one? Try. Police people, I'm not just understand. See as they even to run, una no fit run. Thief they run past police. Hi, Africa, oh, Shineke me. God, why you make me come as an African? No, are they proud though? But no understand. Some kind things when it happen, you yourself you go question. No, are they proud? No, that one the Africa were the best. But my people, the kind things where they shell they make me bring this question outside, because I not just understand where police where in fact now not even supposed they fit. I don't blame you now. Go swallow. Time to operate now. In fact, na thief self go even help you run. No, una watch am. Even to enter water. Hi, white people. Now this kind of time they miss their action. White people, hey, if you like, go underground. You see that underground. Except say, I don't even know what I go even. My people they go enter. They no get one thing where you go tell white policeman. They go chase you yourself, you go. In fact, now you go even surrender. See us. No, see our life. Who do this thing to us? Who do this thing to us? Why for police when no sabi swim? Hey, I mean, not the part of their training. I don't understand, because you supposed to learn. See, as a police officer, both water, land, air, anywhere, you supposed they capable for action. Don't chop. You know fit run. On top of that, you still no get equipment. No, because my people may think this matter very well. As this guy now enter water. No, think am. By now, helicopter self don't suppose they that side. They wait for am or something. No be our Africa. We are blessed. We are blessed with in fact, no action. Cha! I mean, my question for this guy now, where enter this water, where you they go? As big as this ocean be like this, where you know say they go? I been at Europe. Maybe you don't plan say as they run now go reach. And police people say they no fit, we not fit remove uniform. Me una start a swim, remove. I bet Ataya, my brother, see, my advice for you as you did like that. See, just not even stress yourself wrong. Because imagine how many hours or how many days in one day inside that water? How many? You not go they brag now. He's a professional swimmer. He's a professional this one. He's a professional. How long you want they there? Okay, imagine say these police people now don't say, okay, me will stay here. Me will surround the whole place till tire. How long you want they there? See, you go just your body go start to float on top of that water. You go just carry your body. Waiting remain a barrier. It better be you jejely see. Just surrender. Surrender and go to prison in peace. Maybe self they no go give you plenty this thing than for you to go and die. But as I dey see and the guy don't make up his mind o. Say he better make he die inside that place. Chai! Armed robbery too na work o. For imagine you be a robber, you no fit run. You be a robber, you no fit swim. You be a robber. I beg my people now. I say make I bring this matter because I don't laugh tire. In fact, I don't even feel laugh again. Police, armed robber, the commentator himself, all of una join inside this wahala. My people, I beg wetin una think concerning this matter. Una sure say they go catch this guy. Because equipment, I don't talk about before, we no get. So, and these ones, as soon as see them, they don't even fit swim. So, who will go capture this guy now? Now, my question. Anything way you think, drop am for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video. Our Sierra Leone people, they need no say, their matter don't enter, you understand, Naija level. I beg, subscribe if you never subscribe. And make sure say you drop that comment. Very, very important. I will reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. Nigerian prophet Isaac Amata, he don't come threaten president of Zambia. No be small threat to my people. Hey, he tell am say he go lose this coming election for August this year. Serious threat, and you know even dey smile. According to the prophet, he to say according to what I say, he get church for Zambia, and he get people where they run am while in the Nigeria. Okay, so he can't call the representative now where they for Zambia. Make a book flight for them, and you know say they go need visa. As a booker, and so he can't receive message from the Zambia people, their coordinator. He can't receive the message. They tell us say, "Sir, as it be now, they deny you visa. The minister you know go fit come. In fact." The guy, the prophet don't even know whether to laugh or to cry. The man don't vex, serious vex. And he to say this visa when they talk about like this, why they pay now? Because he don't apply since February last month. So as a prophet, when they see me the way they talk, now so they talk. As a prophet, wait till they give them the audacity to deny and visa. I be they no say he don't turn big blessing to Zambia with all the things we don't do for Zambia. How dare them do them this kind of nonsense? Not before my mouth to go hear that. So I don't bring the prophet by self to that. You understand? So join me, make we watch Prophet Isaac.
This is Prophet Isaac Amata, March 9, 2021. I just received a message very short time ago from my Zambia National Coordinator that my visa application to visit my church in the nation of Zambia was rejected. Their visa application I made in February. What audacity for a prophet who has been a blessing to the nation of Zambia since 2016. Rejected. For what reason? And the Lord is saying, speak to the leader, to the administration of Edgar Chagwa Lungu. You know about it, you don't know about it. It was done under your administration, done by the DG, approver of the DG of immigration. So this is the word of the Lord. You reject my prophet, I reject your victory in August 2021, unless you reverse it. Unless it's a condition. You reject me, you reject my prophet, I reject you in August. That is the word of the Lord. You reverse it, then my anger is reversed. This is the word of the Lord to the nation of Zambia, to the leader of Zambia. Let him that have ear hear what the Spirit is saying to the leader. Be blessed from Prophet Isaac Kamata, March 9, 2021. Amen.
No, I not just understand. It be like say this fuel price when they increase for Nigeria, it don't dey affect. It don't dey see. It dey affect us. Fuel, it don't dey affect everybody. I bet Mr. Professor be coming down, no, because see your blood. You don't. I bet na president of Zambia they do visa. I no just understand. Visa get your own department. They get people where they run that side. So which your come concern government, even they threaten now. Say, into say now God send am. Now God, that message where he deliver is sent from God. Hey. Wetin God know this life where God just give us. I know just understand. Wetin God no go hear for this life where we come. You sure say now God send you this one where you just you sure say now God and not or not just you based on anger level. They don't give you visa, maybe you don't meet the requirements. So instead of make you just they carry on social media, I bet be coming down. I don't just understand that. Hey, I know see now we not see on a problem. Some Nigerians we not see on a problem. Country, another country no give you visa. You now they bring fights. Your church even they the country. So what if this president now can't decide say okay for this thing where you do both the church and the members, may everybody just get out. What thing you can do? Now blow to the hot every time. And I just hope say this one way they do. Hey, you are going to Zambia. This one. I just hope say no be escape. You want escape. Because my brother, this running, you know they run anywhere. You see this country. We are here together. In fact, we go die for this Naija together. Very, very important. No, just bring that one. You want run, go. My people, now see why money good. If now one person now, make I not just mention name. If now one person now we get private jets, they go just sign the thing fast. So take, so go. Yeah. Money is good. As you know, get private jets, maybe now why they no agree give you this because they know want add people where go come inside their country because they collect their money. They need people where go. I beg, I don't even understand. Wait till they make this man. You already get representatives. Wait till they make you. You say you be a blessing to Zambia. You have been a blessing. You have been a wait happen to Nigeria. You cannot be a blessing to Nigeria with all the wahala when Nigeria gets. You prefer to carry your blessing, go Zambia. No wonder they even reject you visa. Abi your anointing, the anointing Nigeria they block them from flowing. They no fit flow inside Nigeria. My brother, I beg if you get this kind of power where they bless Zambia, let me say you are very selfish because Nigeria. See, we need you the way we are now. I will say that your power you feel use and do something now for that our boo boo. May we know where we they start from. I bet Zambia president. I bet bring her outside. Me and this man. I need give her correct advice because I don't vex. My brother, sorry. Papa, I beg, listen to the voice of the Lord. As they don't bring you voice of God. This one I will never know whether not true or not. I've been alive. But I beg, sir, just listen to that voice. And one more thing. You see that church where they Zambia. Nobody say I wish bad thing, but if you feel do something so that this man will remain for Nigeria, that power where he get, we need them. So sir, please, I beg you, no give that visa, no give her. Make it stay. We want to see where all the manifestation and things. Make it come kashaba for Nigeria. Very, very important. I mean, my people waiting at it because we need them. Where they go? No, waiting they carry you go Zambia. Waiting. I don't tire for Nigeria. Nigeria matter don't tire me. In fact, even my own tire don't tire inside the tire we tire. I tire my people. Now the only way I feel describe her because when I know fit see am. Abeg, for una way wan make our papa go Zambia, drop am for that side. If you no wan make e go, still drop am for that side. But me, I don talk to this man. Una know who will be president. Zambia president na my person. Anything wey I tell her, dey lis ten. So make una no even bother. He is not going anywhere. Very, very important. Abeg, start to drop that comment for that comment section. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen for Nigeria and Zambia. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.